You doing okay? Mr. Bill? Hey. Mr. Bill. Little Puff's getting your food, isn't he? Mr. Bill. Hey. Mr. Bill. Little Puff getting your food. Oh, Mr. Bill. Little Puff. Leave Mr. Bill's food alone. I carried Little Puff over there. Got food right back there, and I took him over there and I told him, I said, that's your food. He insisted on coming over here and eating Mr. Bill's food. Mr. Bill's sitting here. I hear you purring. I hear you purring, Mr. Bill. Oh, you camera shy? Hmm? You're camera shy, aren't you? Yes, you are. I know you are. Yeah. We still purring, though. Yeah, you're still purring. Yeah, you are. You're still purring. Mr. Bill's a big kitty cat. A big kitty cat. Look how fluffy you are. Little Puff's a big kitty cat, too. Huh. I need to put all these leaves. I need to collect all these leaves up and put them over in my raised bed garden. For one of them that I'm getting ready to fill out. I need to, because these leaves are all kind of wet. Be a good day to do that. Let's go check out that garden. Well, I still have a bunch of. They're still nice and solid. Still got a bunch of turnips in the bag here. I got some onions there on top too. Yeah. Oh. But now that I've got time to actually do stuff, I think I'm going to do it. Let's go check on this garden. All right. Cardboard's nice and wet. I'm really glad that Mr. Bill and Little Puff are okay. Because this morning, between 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. out here, there were, I didn't hear it myself, but somebody else did. And they said it was like right here behind this. And they said it was the coyotes. And we have, I don't know if you guys ever hear coyotes and listen to them, but they really, really make some strange noises. Sometimes they sound like a woman out here screaming and hollering. Other times, you know, you think, oh my gosh, that must be Bigfoot out there. But coyotes, they can make some strange noises. And they get loud. And we found that a lot of times when they're hunting, or when they've actually, got something, they do that. And that's why I was so worried about Little Puff. I saw Mr. Bill this morning. I came out and checked on him, but Little Puff just now came home. And I took him in there and made sure he had some food. And I was really worried that maybe the coyotes had gotten him. But let me check on my garden. Glad you're okay, Little Puff. Alright. So the peas are coming on. Don't get in the garden. The turnip greens are popping up. Remember, this was slick one time and I about hurt myself. So yeah, the turnip greens are coming on. Slowly, but certainly. The kale's not exactly coming on. I do see a bunch of little tiny plants in there, but the kale really just hasn't done much. I'm just wondering if maybe my soil is missing something. Not really sure what. And the same with the spinach as well. Little Puff thinks I'm talking to him. So anyway, that's an update on the garden. I've also got some mustard greens growing over in the other garden. I'm going to pause this and go over there and show you. Alright, so Little Puff's got a love of my feet while I'm doing this. But right there in front of Little Puff's face, you can see a couple of little, damn it. Sorry. But anyway, see them all down in here? Those are all mustard greens. I was trying to get a close up, but Little Puff's got to be right there in the middle of it. Come on, Little Puff, back here. All right, now I can go. No, okay, shoot. Okay. All right. That's a mustard green plant. That's a mustard green plant. Now that you know what they look like, you can see them all in there. And from like right here, going up that way, all down through there, I've sprinkled mustard green seeds. Well, when I say sprinkle, I took them and I cast them out. You know, I had little handfuls and I just cast them and they just spread. Some of them didn't spread as much as others. And I end up with a bunch of them growing in one area, which I'm okay with. Reason being is I just want them to grow. I just want them to give us some mustard greens. You can see them all in here. See them in there putting out the real little leaves. They had their first little, I call them solar panel leaves. And then their real leaves come out. And they're just all in there. So I did mustard green seeds and I did kale. And I'm hoping these will come on and grow good. Of course, I'm sure little birds probably got little bits of them. But from what I'm seeing, if these things do okay and survive the cold, which so far they are, then we're going to end up with a bunch of greens. And I love mixed greens. We'll get the turnip greens, the kale, and the mustard greens and just mix them all together. Put onions and bell peppers, things like that in with it. A little bit of vinegar. Oh, excuse me. A little bit of vinegar and we'll all be good. Yep. I'm going to put a trail cam down there. I don't know what's been getting into the compost. I'll bring kitchen scraps out. And something always goes over there and checks it out. I have seen a cat out here. I've seen raccoons out here. I've seen deer, turkey, possums. I hear coyote. Got the cats, you know. So I'm going to put trail cam out there and just see what happens. Talk to you later.